Welcome back, everyone. If you're ready to take your project management skills to the next level, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to show you how to use Notion, one of the most powerful, customizable, and user-friendly tools, to streamline your projects, stay organized, and boost your productivity. Notion is not just another note-taking app. It's a complete workspace that can serve as your one-stop solution for managing projects, tracking tasks, and collaborating with your team. Whether you're a solo freelancer or part of a large team, Notion has something to offer. So, let's dive right in and learn how to use Notion for effective project management. Before we jump into creating your first project management setup in Notion, let's take a moment to understand what makes this tool so special. Notion is like a digital binder that you can organize exactly how you want. It combines the power of databases, note-taking, task tracking, and collaboration into one seamless platform. With Notion, you can create templates, track deadlines, manage team projects, and even customize your workspace to fit your unique style and needs. No more juggling between different apps, Notion can be your all-in-one project management solution. To get started, let's walk through how to set up Notion for project management. I'll guide you step by step so you can implement it in your own work environment right away. Don't worry if you're new to Notion, we're going to break it down into easy-to-follow steps. Step 1. Setting up your Notion workspace. The first thing you'll want to do is create your workspace. Open Notion and create a new page by simply clicking the plus New Page button in the sidebar. You can name this page anything you like, for example, Project Dashboard or Project Management Hub. This is the home base where you'll manage all your projects and tasks. Once your page is created, you'll notice the option to choose from a variety of templates. But don't worry, you can start from scratch if you want a completely custom setup. You'll have the option to add text, images, links, and even other pages right here. Let's start by creating a simple table to track your tasks. You can click on the blank space and choose Table from the options. This will allow you to create a database that you can customize later. Now, you'll see a basic table with columns like Name, Tags, and Date. You can edit these columns to better suit your project needs. For example, you might want to add columns for Task Description, Priority, Status, or even Assign to, if you're working with a team. Step 2. Customizing your database. Next, let's make this database a bit more useful. Notion's true power lies in its flexibility, so we're going to customize it to track exactly what you need for your project management tasks. Click on the column title, Name, and you can rename it to something like Task. This will make it clear that each row represents a task. For columns like Tags, you can create a drop-down menu to label tasks with different categories such as Design, Development, Testing, or any other tags relevant to your workflow. Now, let's add some more columns. Click the plus icon next to the last column and choose Select. Name it Priority. In this drop-down, you can add options like Low, Medium, and High, which will help you easily prioritize your tasks. You can also add a Status column to track whether a task is in progress, completed, or pending. The beauty of Notion is that everything is linked and can be customized. For example, you can add a Due Date column to set deadlines for each task. You can select a date from the calendar, and Notion will help you keep track of the timeline of your project. You'll also notice that you can sort or filter the tasks by due date, priority, or status, making it easy to stay on top of everything. Step 3. Adding more views to your database. Once your basic table is set up, it's time to create different views of your project management data. Notion allows you to have multiple views of the same database, which is a game changer for staying organized. For instance, you can create a Kanban view, which will display tasks in a column format similar to Trello. This is perfect for visualizing progress in categories like To Do, In Progress, and Completed. To create a Kanban view, go to the Add a View button at the top of your table, select Board, and choose the column you want to use as the grouping, like status. Instantly, your tasks are visually grouped into the 3 categories.